We out here, Cars and Coffee, Rocklin. Oh, check it out. Sick M4. Love that red. I like the all black. Sick truck. Oh, thanks. The carbon fiber. Hell no. It's a wagon. Look, it's a wagon. Man, beautiful. Beautiful. Their buckets. I'm just so happy. Those are white. Wow, look how they got it parked. Isn't that sick? Like, look, he parked it on the other tire. Isn't that hella cool? Oh, they're doing like windshield protection. So it's like a film that goes on the windshield, protects it from chips and cracks. Man, this thing is sick.
They're good though, they're good. I know.
Is that satin black? Or matte? Brand new ski. Look at this red Ferrari. Is it your burgundy color?
Yeah.
Red? I really like this. Look at this steering wheel. It's like a race car. That thing's sick. M3. Ferrari Club Extravaganza. What? Beautiful Camaro drop top. Oh yeah, this is the boys rolling through. Drops Car Club. These guys are sick. I love all of these ones. Sick. See, I need to get my car painted so I can join them. Hey. My engine is all done with machine work, so it just needs to go back together. The engine shops needs to throw my engine back together, and then it'll go back in the car. So hopefully in the next month or so I'll have my car back and better than ever. Nova, Camaro, drop top Chevelle. This is crazy. This rolling right here. Wait, he has like the air suspension. Yeah, you can like raise it up or lower it. Yeah, white with the red interior and the black. But I think the black with the black wheels, the polished lips, that right there is oh man. Yeah, I love this Camaro right here. That's probably my favorite one right there. This split bumper. stocky looking. Oh man, look at that interior. This thing, the dash doesn't have any cracks on it. Man, beautiful. Good Porsche.
Let's check out some of the cars that are down this row before it gets
M5
crowded up here. Tonight, Noob Editor YouTube. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, that one.
Got all the sick Hot Wheels. See if they have a Barbie one. You want it?
What's your YouTube? Okay, we'll check it out. Sure. Rest of the night.
I was like, man,
What else we got here? A nice Boxster.
Thing is so nice. I like that gray. Beautiful.
Pictures. Get out of his pictures.
Look at that beautiful McLaren. And another beautiful McLaren. That carbon hood. Wow. That looks crazy.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Wow. Very green. It's like they're promoting something. I don't think I could show that on YouTube. Oh wow. This is sick. Blue one?
see when it cuts all the way up here. These just start up here. Yeah, this is a 5, 7, 5, 9, 6. Like how I'm trying to get bigger like that.
All carbon. Wow. Look at that wing.
Good to see you again.
Huh?
I don't want to touch the shoe, like I'm gonna just do one thing.
Beautiful.
The car, man.
Look at this freaking.
Well, it's not like running like snoring and shit on it.
This is crazy right here.
I've tried to sleep.
Beautiful car. competition.
On the carbon piece, there's bumps where.
Wow. That is sick. Got the hookah in there. Love this color. Color's so nice.
It's not as big as yours, okay?
Man, this color and this lighting looks so good. Ivy.
All that stuff is recalibrated. You never do it. Eric? Yeah. I'd rather.
RS5.
For 62, you know, you want that. You want that taken care of.
Love the painted bumpers. Love those wheels, the Wrigglers. Beautiful interior.
Get a tech like this, you don't gotta get these smoked. So you did it just for looks.
Hellcats rolling through. That's a sick wrap on that one. Hell yeah. It's got the gap stick on there. Porsche's rolling in. Nice. Ooh, that one sound hella good. That one sound hella nice.
Like a dirty napkin or no?
So what he got going on here? The headlight missing.